simple. Do a nice little juice. Alright. Flame them and fire them good. Thank you so much, man. Alright, we got some baking soda. We're gonna put that inside of it. Alright, because we need some baking soda inside of it to wash off the ingredients before we even use them, alright? Sorry. Yeah. So, yeah, man, here it is. This is a pineapple right here. Alright. And this is the lime. And we got some orange. And we have some fresh ginger right here, which we are going to use inside of it, alright? So, it's a good look. Yeah, man. Thank you so much for coming on the show. I appreciate it. Good morning to you too. So, free fire God. Thank you so much. Big up yourself. Beautiful people in the morning, yeah. Yeah, in the Tuesday morning, good vibes. Alright? Look at the amount of dirt that come off of this stuff already. Yeah? Let's look. Looking at the water. You see the amount of water, the amount of dirt that came off of it? And I'm just put them in the water and look already. Alright? Not yours. Thank you so much. Well afternoon. Thank you so much. Alright, let me rinse off these. So much dirt, I couldn't believe it. Yeah, alright, so, alright, I rinse them off. So we're going to simple. Let's get the blender. Alright, so we got the pineapple and we got the lime. So I'm going to get the lime. I'm just removing the skin. I don't need to show you guys how to remove the skin from it, alright? I don't need to. See, this is the lime I'm using. Alright, so we're going to get some fresh ginger. Alright, that's the ginger right there. Now I'm going to tell you something. I never throw away the pineapple skin. I always use it. Alright, so this is the ginger I'm using. Put the ginger straight inside of it. I'm gonna get one medium-sized orange. Alright. This is the orange right there. Lovely. So we're gonna get the pineapple. We're gonna remove the skin from the pineapple. All right. I just brought the pineapple in the supermarket. All right. The only reason why I didn't remove the skin is I need to tell you guys what I'm doing. If I don't tell you, you don't know exactly what your father is doing. Alright, so I have to make you guys know exactly what I'm doing, alright? Yeah, pineapple. So that's the pineapple right there. That's the pineapple right there so far. So you guys can see things looking good. I don't know if you guys ever met none of these kind of drink at home, but if it's the first time for you, I'm going to tell you this. You are doing something good at home. The rest of the pineapple, I'm going to cut it up and put it into a bowl. I can use it another day. Alright. Also, I could put something else in it. I could put like a red apple inside of it. Yeah. That's red apple. That's the red. Lovely. I'm going to put a little bit of a honey inside of it. You know, you don't have to, but I just want to use and finish up that honey. Then we use a little bit of a coconut water inside of it. That's coconut water, guys. Alright, put on the lid. You can put beetroot, you can put carrot, you can put anything you like inside of it, but to be honest with you, I'm just keeping it simple. Alright, I'm just keeping it very, very simple today with you guys. Alright? So, alright, now what we're gonna do, make some noise and blend it. Remember, you can get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. All right? Yeah. Great children. Thank you so much. Joy. Iris is it. Big up yourself. Thank you so much, man. Rita, thank you so much. All right. Easily bet. Thank you so much. Big up all the people who take the time and support the progress of Chef Ricardo right here with the journey. All right. Turn into a smoothie, but I'm gonna run it through my strainer. Alright. So you guys can see, look at that. That is excellent. You got the pineapple inside of it, you got the ginger, the lime, and then we put some red apple inside of it and using coconut water. So it's supposed to be a beautiful drink. Now this is very good, you can have it, but sometime I'll just run it through my strainer. But look at this one time I run it through my strainer. Alright. See? Nothing wrong with this, guys. I can have it. But if you want a smooth drink, because a lot of people can drink it with this, it's too rough. And that goes really well for you. Alright. So you guys can see, look at that. Now you can make this and put it also in your fridge and drink it as a detoxing and weight loss drink if you are eating healthy. If you're not eating healthy, it's going to be a problem. Let's pour it out. Now look at that, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? That is what I'm talking about. Excellent and amazing. All right, and I know someone definitely will love this beautiful drink today. All right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming. I will put the ingredients in the description of the video. All right, in the community. So if you follow me in my community, you will understand where I have these ingredients. All right, now let's give it a